Direct replacement. This tailgate hinge kit is designed to match the original parts required to restore proper tailgate alignment and function on specified vehicles. Ideal solution. This kit is a reliable replacement for original components that have failed due to wear. Durable construction. This kit is made from quality components to ensure reliable performance and a long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Good factory replacement. I am fixing up this 32-year-old truck I just got and was having problems with the tailgate. These fit like they should and the tailgate works like it should now.